Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dom and we are checking out NCEnough. This is a new Cydia tweak that will give you just enough notification center. Instead of giving you the entire screen full, maybe you don't need that much, maybe you don't have that many notifications coming in, this will give you just enough as it claims in the title here, NCEnough. So let's go ahead and check it out here and I'll show you what it's all about. Let's back out to the home screen, and I have it enabled right now. So let's go ahead and pull down the notification center so you can see what I'm talking about here. So as you can see there, it just pulls down enough to show the weather widget and the share buttons right here. So let's go ahead and put it up here, and I will send myself a message, and when that message comes through, you'll see that now when we pull it down, we have a larger notification center. It's just a little bit bigger compared to where it was, and then if I close this out, let's go ahead and clear that. As you can see, it gets smaller. Pretty simple, right? Well, there are some other options here for this tweak. Let's hop into the settings app here, and as you can see, I have the settings for NCEnough pulled up. You have the option to enable or disable it right here at the top using this little button, and when you turn it off, you guessed it, you can pull down the entire notification center. Then we can slide back up and re-enable it to have the short version. Now, we also do have the option to keep the status bar at the bottom. So if I have that turned on, you'll see that the status bar actually switches places now, and it's now at the bottom, and you can flip-flop it around as much as you want. It really doesn't add any functionality to your device except being able to see the time in a lower spot than you were able to before when the notification center is normal. So that's just another option that you can play with. Now, we do also have the ability to turn off the darkened like shadow underneath the notification center. So if I turn that off, as you can see here, everything stays nice and bright down here. And if I have it back on, it kind of dims out a little bit to make room for the notification center. There's one other option up here that I didn't show you yet. It's called Interact with Background. And to show you that, I'm going to back out to the home screen. Let's go ahead and turn it on, jump out to the home screen, and pull it down. Now, as you can see, I can swipe across my home screen and interact with the background as the option claims. Now, I don't see much use in that. Maybe there is something for somebody out there, but for me personally, I just didn't really care for the feature. But it is pretty cool, and it's an option that you can toy with. Now, we also do have the opportunity to change the color of the notification center. So we can go through here, you have red, green, blue, and as you can see, it changes it automatically, no respring required. We can switch between any of these colors here, and you even have white, even though that might be kind of hard to read for some things. And you can also set it to be random each time. So every time you pull down the notification center, it will show a random color, and it'll be a surprise each time that you look at your notification center. You can also set the alpha level for this here, so you can make it kind of transparent if you want that effect going on. You can just move that slider left or right, and it will change the transparency level of your notification center, which is a pretty cool feature. Now, the last option we have is to make the notification center thinner. This will allow you to literally make it as thin as, well, they say here, a supermodel. And as you can see, it's pretty ridiculously thin, but everything seems to come through okay. We still have our messages pulling up there, and if you want a small notification center like that, you can play with these options and be able to achieve the exact width that you would like based on these settings right here. So this is NCEnough. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It doesn't add a whole lot of functionality to your device, but if you get tired of having the entire notification center cover your screen, then this is definitely a tweak you're going to want to check out. So give it a look, everybody. It's available for 99 cents in the Big Boss repo. It's called NCEnough. Check it out, and as always, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, everybody. This is Dom, and have a great day.